Turn on your one click. How much am I making already? How much are we making already? 130 something K. Already. No time. This is what stacking. I mean, if you funded 100K, how much is this? This is already, what is it, 5%? Okay, what is 5% of 1 million is 50K. This is already how much? 120 something K. Already. One more minute and then we'll start. We are starting. So the topic for today is scalping and stacking. And then the idea is to see how you can make 5% of your capital. What is 5% of your capital? If I fund, let's say I fund 1 million, 5% of 1 million is 5 divided by 100 times 1 million. That's 50,000 naira per day. I mean, I was even thinking it's one big amount of money. You can make, what is 50,000? That is small money. 50,000 naira is such a little amount of money to make in the market. Somebody, I know a guy that stays in the Lekki area of Lagos. That this NFP this one. Somebody should guess how much he used to trade NFP. The guy is 23 years old, stays in Lekki. That guy used $50,000. That's 37 point something million to trade NFP. $50,000 to trade NFP, right? So 50,000 naira per day is a very little amount of money to make, right? Now we're talking about scalping and what and stacking. Talking about scalping and what and stacking. Now the idea behind scalping and stacking is, first and foremost, you have to trade with a strategy. You need to have a strategy that you can trade from, or that will inform you of what to do. When you have a strategy, your strategy is going to inform you of whether you want to sell or whether you want to buy. That's what your strategy will do for you. So if you know you are selling, then that means you're going to be scalping or stacking in that direction. I have to first of all know what direction I am scalping or stacking. I have to first of all know the direction. Because once I know the direction, then I can now scalp or stack in that direction. Now I want to ask us a very simple question. A question like a fast question. Please, can someone tell me what trend we are in right now? What trend are we in? What trend are we in right now? Are we in a downtrend? Are we in an uptrend? Or is the market ranging? The first thing we need to do is to know the trend. If the trend is a downtrend, then we know that, okay, we are looking for what? For sales. If it's an uptrend, then we are looking for buys. But another thing that you must be careful about is, in a downtrend, you have what we call reversals. Look at this reversal here. Look at another reversal. See another reversal. See another one here. So if you are placing a sell, you must know when to stop. Where the sell is likely to start changing direction. If I'm on a sell, if the sell gets, there's a support that sell will get to start buying, maybe just for a time before it starts coming back down, right? Also, if I'm on a buy, that I'm on this buy, to go down before it comes up again, go down again, come up, go down. So you have to also be careful to go down. To go up, then to come down. You have to be You have to be careful. For example, now look at what is happening here. For example, now look at what is happening. Let's go straight into this stacking thing. Let me draw my. First of all, I have to draw my support and resistance levels very fast. Now I'm using this indicator. It's called the stochastic RSI indicator. You can get it once you have funded your account. Now for stacking and scalping, you need at least 1 million naira. I'm not saying you should do 1 million. I'm just telling you that if you really want to scalp, maybe less of scalping, but more of stacking. If you want to stack trades, by stacking trades, what do I mean? I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys real soon. Yes, the trend is actually a downtrend. It's a downtrend. Has not been able to. So if I minimize this, you see that the market went up here, came down, went up here, and is currently down. So if you look at, I just did a small markup. Now I'm working with 2 time frames. I'm working with the 1 hour and I'm working with the what? The 15 minutes what time frame. Of course, like I said, you need to know what direction the market is moving in. The market is actually moving down now. Let me go to 15 minutes and see if I can scalp this. Look. Now, let me quickly stack. Let me use 0.02 or 0.04. Okay, let's use 0.05. Now, I want to start. I'm going to place multiple cells. Sell, 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 sell. Look, I placed like how many cells here? Look at what I just did now. How many cells did I placed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8 cells. And look at the price. I placed all of them. Look at, they are all almost at the same price. 1826.1, 1826.1, 1826.1. This last two is 1826.0. So you want to be able to place multiple trades at the same what price. The idea is to try and place multiple trades at the same what price. Now, the ideal place for me to set as my stop loss should be above what this high, right? Above this high. I placed this trade because I felt I saw an opportunity, but I'm just trying to explain the idea behind stacking. I'm stacking now. I'm not scalping now, just stacking. So by 3:30, the market might be moving slowly, but by 3:30, you might see increased volatility, right? Now, I placed 9 trades. You can see how I was just placing those trades, quickly. I was placing those trades quickly. To be able to place a trade like this, you need to have sufficient funds. You cannot be placing this kind of trades with 100K or 50, at least 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Look, I'm already getting to profit already. Can you see that? Can you see? When I placed this trade, I was on like something like maybe can you see? 19K, 11K, 26K. Can you see how I got to that amount real quick. If I was placing one trade, probably making maybe like 460 naira or something like that. So you want to place your stop loss above this recent high. This is the high. You want to place your stop loss above there. Like I said, I've not told you guys. I said I'm going to tell you how to do what? How to do what? How to identify the what? The trend. How to identify, see, I just made 41 I placed this trade by 3:11. This is 3:14. In less than 3 minutes, I am 50 something K up. Now, my stop loss, I've placed stop loss for one of them. So I'm going to start, I will go to this stop loss. I will copy it. Copy. Come here. Modify and start pasting it. Modify. You also have to turn on your one click. Turn on your what? Your one click. Turn on your one click. How much am I making already? How much are we making already? 130 something K. Already. No time. This is what stacking. If you funded 100K, how much is this? This is already, what is it, 5%? Okay, what is 5% of 1 million is 50K. This is already how much? 120 something K. Already. Now I can begin to, I put on my what do you call it? What do you call it? One click, right? I put on my one click. Tools, options. One click is on. Okay, right? So you can see how we're making money already, right? So you just put in the stop loss for the rest of them. Now you can do your trailing stop. You can do your what? Trailing stop. If you know how to use trailing stop. Now, the first take profit should be around this proven support. That should be the first take profit. See, I can decide to close this trade now, but I'm just using it to just lecture you guys on some stuff. Now, let's say I put 231 as my trailing stop. So I come here, select any of them, trailing stop, custom, 231 points or 23 pips. Right? That's trailing stop. I can start doing trailing stop for all of them. Custom, 231 points. You can see I placed itself because I knew that the trend was a what? Was a downtrend, right? Trailing stop, custom, 231 points. How much are we making now? 181K. No time. No time. No time. No time. No time. See, I just took advantage of, instead of me to place one trade, just one, and market is moving like this. Does that make any sense? The idea is to take advantage of what? The market as much as you can. I was watching a documentary on Nat Geo Wild, right? And I saw a pack of wild dogs attacking one pig, one wild pig. See the way they were eating at this pig. That is what you do to this market. Once you have established that the market is going in your direction, attack it like a wild dog. Like attack it, like milk it, squeeze it as much as you can. Now let me start scalping now. Let me start scalping now. Let me start scalping now. Okay, let me go to 0.01. Let me start scalping now. So I'm scalping now. But this 0.01 does not really make sense. This one, because, okay, see, this is my 0.01. It has already entered, it should enter profit. Okay, look at 270 something K. It has already entered profits. Like, scalping with 0.01 does not really make sense because the idea is to look at, okay, it's even US 2000. Wow. So the idea is what? See, I'm getting 92 naira. Doesn't make sense. So I'm going to close this thing. See, I just scalped now. Let me increase it 0.03. You can see that the market is allowing me to place more. You see, I've used up my whole margin. I'm scalping on 0.02 now. I know where I feel that the trade should go to, right? I know where I feel the trade should go. We're on 300 something K. How many minutes? We just place this trade right now. We just place the trade right now, okay? We just place the trade right now. This is what stacking and scalping is for you. This is it. Now look at my Fibo. This is my Fibonacci, for example. When the market is going down and it starts to retrace, my Fibonacci retracement tool can help me to know where the market is likely to go up to and meet a resistance before it starts to come down. So you can see that 38.2, this moving average, and this stone cold resistance are all serving as resistance points. Now, don't be greedy. Start to close your trades. Let me close like 0.03 here. Now, when your trade is on what do you call it? One click. If I click on this X, it's going to close the trade automatically. But if I double click here, not on the X here, I can double click and change. I want to close 0.03 and leave 0.02 running. So I've closed that one. Double click. Don't be waiting. No, don't be greedy. Take your profit and run. Right? 0.03 close. 0.03 because it's getting towards, so that you can take as much as you can. Don't be greedy. Oh. Take your money and run. Oh. 0.03, 0 points. Just take, part of it and leave the rest. 0.0. So I've partial closed. Now what I have here is just 0.02. Can you see? Out of my 0.05, I just have 0.0, but 0.02. I'm still on 101, 111,000. I can decide I want to start. Look at this one now, for example. Okay, this is the last one that I placed here. This one that I placed here. This one. The best time to scalp and stack is when the market is volatile. For example, not like NFP. Well, you can do it if you have, because sometimes NFP and all this high impact, they tend to go up and down. But let's say if you are trading US 100, you want to look out to scalp the market by 3:30. You can also scalp the market by when a high impact news comes out. After the high impact news has calmed down, then you can scalp. For example, when this NFP came out, it kind of pushed US indices upwards, right? So you can see how it pushed. You can see how it pushed US 100, pushed it up. Look at watch US 100 up. Watch. Let me scalp that as well. Let me scalp that as well. But I've not done my setup yet. I need to do my setup first so that I'll know where. So it is between here and here. Let me add my moving average. Nice one. 15. Hold up. I should have said this thing from here. The best time to scalp is when price is at a resistance. Okay. Let me go for it. 0.05 multiple. 1, 2. Just opened a few US 100 right now. I'm supposed to put this thing here. Let me put it here. So I just opened some US 100 as well. So you can see how many US 100 did I open? I opened them, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. 7 US what? 100. 7 US 100. I know that the trend is a downtrend. I know. And like I said to you guys, you might not know. Well, if you know how to maybe look at the chart with your naked eyes and know, fine. But I told you that there is a way I can tell you, very simple. Even looking at it now, a very simple way that you can know when the market is what is trending either upwards or what or downwards. Now look at this market is coming maybe towards this place, towards this support here. So once the market starts to come there, either this 0.0 fib level or this proven support, once it starts to come there, you want to be looking to close part of your trade. So you can have like take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. When your trade gets to take profit 1, you partial close. When it gets to take profit 2, you partial close. Take profit 3, partial close. Do not be greedy. Greediness as see. They know me in the office. I'm a very sometimes like what is happening right now. So what's happening right now? I'll be making money, then I'll leave it. Like I will just leave it like I'll be looking at it like this. I'll probably see the trade go from let's say 300K to like 30K, and I'll not close. Like sometimes I don't know why I act like that. I don't know whether it's for confidence. I don't know what. Learn to take your money and what and run. Okay, learn to take your money and what and run. Look at now on 15 minutes now. There's actually a support around here. Look at price seems to be forming like a bullish candle. I can still wait because I think it's still going to sell more. But I don't want to be caught in the 3:30 news, because 3:30 p.m. can come in now and this market will start going up because the session is just opening. So some people must have placed buys, some people must have placed sells, right? So I don't want the New York session open to affect my what? My trades. Look at. So I might likely close these trades. I might likely close them. Now, this is where it comes to your own decision. You're already in profit. It's now dependent on what you want. Do you want to close the trade or do you want to leave it? Let me still close, let's say this one to 0.01. Let me still take some of them. 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. Just double click 0.01. If you click here, it will close it automatically. So to close it without asking you for this is a dialog box. Normally, if you don't put on your one click, once you try to close it, it will take you here before you now close it. But even when your one click is on, if you just double click here, to still take you here, right? So it's on the way. Can you see my US 100? Okay, US 100. Where's US 100? Look at the US 100 that I just placed now. Can you see it? Let me even try and see if I can place more. I'm still placing more. I'm still stacking. I'm still stacking on US 100, right? Double click 0.01, close. Let me look at US 2000. The idea is to milk it. Look at this is US 100, right? This is what US. Yes, okay, that one is still open. But this is US 100. It's already in profit, although it's kind of small, right? Still small. Still small. Let me still set my trailing stop on this. Wow. Some of us are asking me. I was even thinking some of us would have even made. See Mr. John made 6. So some of us, man, come on, man. Some of us are, you're asking me how you talk. No. Come on. I was expecting you guys to play straight. You're asking me how you can. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let me see what's happening. It's almost New York session, so I might have to close all of these trades pretty soon because I don't want any. See, can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see what's happening here? Can you see how these trades are going? Can you see how? Where's my US? Where's okay US? Look at it's being rejected here. So we'll have to probably wait for when the New York session opens, then we can now take the remaining ones. Other trades are open here. Okay. What's giving me money? Trade that, please. So still have some US 2000 running. The market should push it down. Hopefully, yeah. So I might even be looking to place another trade again. I'm looking to place another trade again. On my US 2000, let me place. Please, what can you see on the screen? What can you see on the screen? Or what can you see on the screen? See, can you see minus 20 something K? So why it's not always good to kind of, sometimes you leave your trades, okay, to something US 100, US 2000. Now this is what I call volatility, right? Volatility. Volatility is happening right now. Please, what can you see? What can you see? Can you see? Some of you guys are still, you are still dulling. Don't dull. This is US 2000. It's on a verified support. So that is, where's my US 2000? Close it fast. Where's US 2000? Close it. Do I have any US 2000? Okay, now I have only my US 100 here. And just one US 2000. Okay, I have two US 2000. I have two US 2000. So just in this class, what have we made already? What have we made already? Just today, we made about 280K. Can you see what I was talking about? So is that it rejects off this 0.0 fib level or this closing support? You need to know the trend. Once you know the trend, you are placing your trade in the direction of the what? Of the trend. Okay. So this is, you guys saw me when I placed this US 100, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, when did I place US 2000 again? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 trades are open. US 2000 is on a resistance and it's being rejected. Can you see? It's being rejected. So I need to close my US 2000 real quick. So I don't want to be losing all that money. Or should I close part of this? See now, this is where some of us now, where greed do not allow us. This is where greed do not allow us. Right? Okay. Look at this one. This one is rejecting as well. Let me close everything now. Try and see if I can start again. Can you see how it is going? Can you see how it is? See, look at. See how it is. See how US 100 is rejecting. Right? Can you see that? But I still expect it to sell. Still expect it to sell. It's this is a far stop loss. But that's actually the best place to put your stop loss. On the these are like the best places to put your stop loss. Please, can you see my chart? Huh? Can you guys see my chart? If you can see my chart, please type yes. If you can see my money, too much money or too much money. See, it's either you know how to spot the trend with your naked eyes, or you get an indicator that will help you to do that, right? So I have only US 100 running. You guys saw when I opened my US 100, right? You saw me. How much are we on right now? 337K in less than how many minutes? Right? Now, I can start scalping here. Let me scalp. Or let me start. See, this is where, now, I could easily just leave this market, but I'm still stacking, still stacking. I keep still stacking, stop, stack. This is like a tongue twister. But I'm looking to go to this place. So I can probably still stack maybe 1 or 2. This is some risky thing, but when something is risky, it's exciting. Risky things are exciting. That is why the US is the greatest country in the world. I think they take the highest risk. I told you somebody, what did he do today? I said somebody used $50,000 to trade today. $50,000. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my God, I'm missing out on US 2000. Huh? I think I should place like 2 US 2000, maybe. What do you guys think? Or 3, 4. Now, if I able to place this amount of trades, I'm taking a kind of risk here because this trade is already near it's already near the support, and I need to close it as fast as possible once I'm in profit. See, my yesterday is almost in profit. Look at it, right? So I think that's about it basically. I just showed you practically. Don't want to be talking theory these days. You want to make money, fund your account. 1 million. If you can fund 5 million, fund 5 million. In minutes, you are making, I mean, it's crazy, you know. So it's crazy. And if you want to buy computers, be checking it. You can buy. For example, now I have a small laptop and I have like a big screen where like a second screen. So I'm kind of monitoring it through up there. So okay, see my US I just opened this one. So I just had about 3K right now. But it's getting towards the support. So that's like so I need to close it as soon as possible. This other one, start closing partial 0.03. You have to be watching your trade, so I'm not going to watch it for you. You have to be fastest finger 0.03 close. What's happening in US 2000? Cheers. 0.03. Once you know where the market is going, you attack it like a wild dog. Kill it, finish it. Don't just be placing one trade and be making 4K. Some of you, there's a client of mine. He's here. I don't want to say, but he's making money, but he's sending me 1,000 now. What is 1,000? What is 1,000? Is that one money? Eh? Is that money? Don't think I'm not placing these trades on my real account. I'm using one left hand as well. So this thing is going up. Okay, no. It's normal for it to, you know. So look, this I placed some trades on US 2000. Yeah. Okay, this two. See, my profit is kind of reducing. Maybe I should just add like a take profit so that in case I forget. But sometimes when we are chasing this, what should I do? See where death can come in sometimes. I'm telling you, should you or should you not? Let me do like a trailing stop instead of a take profit so that in case let's say 59. Trailing stop 59 points. Once the market gets 59 points, trailing stop. He's telling me to show love. I don't even want that. Why are you telling me to show? I'm giving you something live trade signals. I'm still telling you to show love. You should be the one to show me love. Matter of fact, you should show me love. You don't show me love. What's going on? What's happening? What it was, I think it was 51, 9 points or so. So we've made so much money from today's class. I think I would have entered another sale here, but it's kind of close to this verified support. So can't really do that. The best place to buy is at a what now. Once this trade gets here, I can decide that I want to maybe buy, but I mean, don't be where is US 100? Oh yeah, partial close 0.03, no time. Need to be fast about this stuff. Or better still, close everything. So 0.03. Once my money starts coming smooth, close it. 0.03. Hello, class is ending in less than 1 minute.